Airplanes are one of the most amazing inventions of all time. They have revolutionized the way we travel, making it possible for people to fly across the globe in a matter of hours. The technology behind airplanes is truly astounding, and there are many fascinating facts and pieces of information about them that are worth learning. First, let's talk about the history of airplanes. The first successful flight of an airplane was made by the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, on December 17, 1903. Their plane, called the Wright Flyer, was powered by a 12-horsepower engine and had a wingspan of 40 feet. The Wright brothers made 4 flights that day, with the longest lasting 59 seconds and covering a distance of 852 feet. Since then, airplanes have come a long way. Modern commercial airplanes can fly at speeds of over 600 miles per hour and have a range of over 8,000 miles. They are also able to carry hundreds of passengers at a time, making air travel more accessible and affordable for people all over the world. One of the most incredible things about airplanes is the technology that goes into designing and building them. The aerodynamics of an airplane are crucial to its ability to fly. Airplanes are designed with a curved upper surface and a flat lower surface, which creates lift and helps the plane stay in the air. Additionally, the wings are angled in such a way that they create a difference in air pressure between the upper and lower surfaces, which also helps to create lift. Another important aspect of airplane design is the materials used to construct them. Today, most airplanes are made mostly of aluminum, which is lightweight and strong. However, other materials such as carbon fiber and composites are also being used more frequently in airplane construction. These materials are not only lightweight but also very strong and durable, which makes them ideal for use in airplanes. The engines of an airplane are also a piece of technology worth mentioning. Airplanes use either turbofan or turbojet engines. Turbojet engines are the most basic type of jet engine. They compress the air and then mix it with fuel and ignite it. The hot exhaust gases then shoot out the back of the engine, propelling the airplane forward. Turbofan engines are a bit more complex than turbojet engines. They have a fan in front of the engine that draws in air. Some of this air goes straight through the engine and gets mixed with fuel and ignited, just like in a turbojet engine. However, some of the air goes around the outside of the engine, which helps to cool the engine and also creates more thrust. One of the most amazing things about airplanes is the computer systems that control them. Modern airplanes are equipped with a wide range of computer systems that help pilots to fly the plane, navigate, and communicate with air traffic control. These systems also help to keep the plane on course and at the correct altitude, as well as provide information about weather conditions and potential hazards. Another amazing aspect of airplanes is the way they are built. Airplanes are built in sections, called modules, which are then assembled together to form the finished airplane. This process is called modular construction, and it allows for greater efficiency and flexibility in the manufacturing process. Finally, let's talk about the future of airplanes. In recent years, there has been a lot of research and development into the use of electric and hybrid electric propulsion systems for airplanes. These systems would use electric motors to drive the propellers or turbine, which would reduce the dependence on fossil fuels and decrease emissions. Additionally, there are also ongoing efforts to develop supersonic and hypersonic airplanes, which would be able to fly at speeds much faster than current commercial airplanes.